Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The SLK Halo Pickleball paddles are a premium line designed for players seeking enhanced spin, control, and consistency in their game. Available in two models, Halo Pro and Halo Control, both paddles feature cutting-edge construction and advanced technologies to elevate performance on the court. The carbon fiber face of both paddles offers excellent durability and a responsive feel, providing players with the ability to generate high spin and precision shots. The RevCore Power polymer core inside each paddle is engineered for maximum power and control, enhancing the paddle's ability to absorb shock while offering a softer feel on impact, making it ideal for players who want a blend of power and finesse. The Halo Pro model focuses on providing more power and responsiveness for aggressive players, while the Halo Control version is optimized for better touch and precision, catering to players who prioritize control and accuracy over raw power. Both paddles offer a well-balanced design, ensuring ease of handling and maneuverability, with a comfortable grip that enhances comfort during extended play. Designed for players of all skill levels, the SLK Halo paddles are perfect for those who want to improve their game with a paddle that delivers ultimate spin and consistency. Whether you're playing competitively or casually, these paddles are built to help you excel with superior performance and a responsive feel. In summary, SLK Halo Pickleball paddles with carbon fiber faces and RevCore Power polymer core technology provide a perfect balance of power, control, and spin. Ideal for players seeking enhanced performance and reliability, these paddles are designed to help you dominate the game with consistency and precision. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. The pickleball paddles set with USAPA-approved fiberglass surface is an excellent choice for players of all levels, offering a well-rounded package for both beginners and experienced players. This set includes high-quality pickleball paddles designed to deliver durability, power, and control on the court. The fiberglass surface provides a solid hitting area that generates excellent ball spin and control, enhancing your performance during play. The paddles in this set feature a lightweight and ergonomic design, making them easy to handle for long sessions, reducing fatigue and improving maneuverability. The paddles are also USAPA approved, ensuring they meet the standards set for official play and are suitable for use in competitive pickleball matches. The set typically comes with two paddles, providing a ready-to-play option for doubles or for families and friends looking to enjoy the game together. Along with the paddles, the set includes pickleballs, which are specifically designed to be durable and responsive for indoor and outdoor play, allowing for consistent gameplay across different surfaces. Comfortable grips are featured on the paddles, ensuring players have a secure hold during aggressive swings and long rallies. This enhances accuracy and reduces the likelihood of hand fatigue. The balanced paddle weight ensures that players can strike with power while still maintaining control over their shots. In summary, the pickleball paddle set with USAPA-approved fiberglass surface is an ideal choice for men and women looking for a durable, high-performance set. It offers excellent value with lightweight paddles, a fiberglass surface for enhanced spin and control, and is ready for both recreational and competitive play. Whether for family fun or a serious game, this set is built to enhance your pickleball experience. Number 3. Onyx Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an all-in-one package designed for pickleball players of all levels, offering everything needed for an exciting game. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 balls, and 1 bag, making it a great value for those looking to get started or upgrade their gear. The SLK Latitude paddles are crafted with a G4 graphite face for durability and responsiveness. This graphite surface allows for excellent control and spin, giving players the ability to execute precise shots and place the ball effectively. The paddles also feature a polymer RevCore technology, a unique core designed for optimal power and consistent performance. The core provides a soft yet responsive feel, absorbing shock and reducing vibrations, which enhances comfort during extended play. The paddles are lightweight and well-balanced, making them easy to handle for both beginners and more experienced players. The design prioritizes comfort with a grippy handle, ensuring a secure hold even during intense rallies. Whether playing for fun or in a more competitive setting, the paddles are built to meet the needs of all skill levels. Along with the paddles, the Selkirk Latitude bundle includes 3 pickleballs that are durable and designed for consistent play, suitable for both indoor and outdoor courts. The bundle is neatly packed in a compact carrying bag, making it easy to transport and store your gear when not in use. In summary, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an excellent choice for players seeking high-quality paddles, reliable performance, and convenient portability. With its G4 graphite face and polymer RevCore technology, the paddles deliver superior control and power, making this bundle a great option for anyone looking to elevate their pickleball experience. Number 4. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddles are designed for players seeking a high-performance paddle with superior control, power, and comfort. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, the Mod Z5 paddles provide excellent durability and responsiveness, offering a consistent hit with every shot. The graphite surface enhances ball control and allows for easy generation of spin, making it ideal for players looking to fine-tune their game with precision. The core of the paddle is made from Nomex, a durable and high-performance material that provides excellent power and reduces vibrations on impact, ensuring a smooth and comfortable playing experience. The combination of the graphite face and Nomex core delivers a responsive yet forgiving feel, making these paddles suitable for players of all skill levels. Comfort is a top priority with the cushion comfort grip that enhances control and provides a secure, ergonomic feel during long play sessions. The grip absorbs moisture and reduces hand fatigue, ensuring players can focus on their game without discomfort. The Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 is known for its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver and react quickly during fast exchanges at the net. Its balanced construction ensures that players can generate both power and control, making it versatile for all playing styles, from aggressive to finesse shots. In summary, the Onyx Graphite Mod Z5 pickleball paddles with graphite carbon fiber face and Nomex core provide exceptional performance, control, and durability. With the added benefit of a cushion comfort grip, these paddles offer a comfortable and responsive feel, making them an excellent choice for players who want to elevate their game with a high-quality, all-around pickleball paddle. Number 5. Jula Essential Pickleball. The Jula Essentials pickleball paddles are a high-quality option for players looking for an affordable yet performance-driven paddle. Designed with a reinforced fiberglass surface and a honeycomb polypropylene core, these paddles are built to deliver a balance of power, control, and durability, making them suitable for players of all skill levels. The fiberglass surface provides a solid and responsive hitting area, offering excellent ball spin and a smooth feel on every shot. This feature helps players execute precise, controlled shots, making the paddles ideal for both recreational and competitive play. The honeycomb polypropylene core offers a combination of power and control, providing a soft yet responsive feel, absorbing impact vibrations, and enhancing the overall playing experience. With a lightweight design, the Jula Essentials pickleball paddles ensure excellent maneuverability, allowing players to react quickly to fast exchanges and make accurate shots. The balance between lightweight construction and solid performance makes these paddles versatile for both offensive and defensive play. The ergonomic grip enhances comfort and control, reducing hand fatigue during long play sessions. The grip's texture ensures a firm hold even during intense rallies, helping players maintain consistency throughout the game. In summary, the Jula Essentials pickleball paddles with their reinforced fiberglass surface and honeycomb polypropylene core offer a great combination of durability, control, and power. The lightweight design and ergonomic grip make them easy to handle and comfortable to play with, while the advanced materials ensure superior performance. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade your paddle, these paddles are a solid choice for anyone seeking reliability and value on the court.